Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to create Windows 11 on VirtualBox. So let's get started. First you need to go to Google Chrome, open that up or any browser. Then type in download Windows 11 ISO, or it could be anything. Click this link, Microsoft.com. Now select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Click download. Then choose any language you want. I'm going to do English United States. And click confirm. I already downloaded the ISO, so I don't need to do it, but just click confirm when you're ready. Okay, I'm going to move on to the next step. Oh, also first you got to download VirtualBox. Okay. Don't click this, click downloads. Then click whatever device you're on. You can do this on Mac or Windows. It doesn't really matter. If you're on Windows, click Windows hosts. If you're on Mac, click OS X hosts. I'm on Mac, and I already downloaded VirtualBox, as you see. Okay. Now what you're going to do is open up VirtualBox. Select New. Okay, select Guided Mode if you're already here, don't do Expert Mode. Microsoft Windows 11 64-bit. It has to be, there is no other. Type in Windows 11, save it to whatever file you want. Now at least, I would say depending on your Mac, have more than probably 5 gigabytes. I'm going to do 7. Okay, click continue. Just click continue, create. Click continue. Continue. And make sure it's 80 gigs. Don't lower it. Minimum is 64 gigabytes. But you can leave it as 80 or add more. Or you can just lower it, but don't go under 64 gigs. Create. Settings. Click System. You do not need a floppy disk, but you could use one if you don't really care. Okay, make sure these two are checked. It must have more than 2 processor cores if you're on a Windows and it does not support Windows 11 and it says that you don't have 2 processor cores. Also, you have to enable this. Go to display. Yes, normally the video memory would be set here, but set it to max. Enable 3D acceleration. Then click storage. Then click empty. Click choose/create disk. Click add. Go down, find your Windows 11 English. Okay, click choose. And now you can click OK. Now you can start up the virtual machine. Also, don't forget to press keys because then it's just not gonna work. Okay, now, right when you press play, you should just randomly or whatever, just right when it says that, it should say VirtualBox in the loading thing. That means it works. Okay, we're gonna fix this. This is the Windows setup. Now what you're going to do, is it Control Option Command? Shift F2. So if you click install now, you're gonna go through some stuff. Like if you're downloading the pro version, because most likely you are gonna be if you're somebody who does virtual machines. Click I don't have a product key. I'm gonna use the pro, but here's the thing. When you click next, it's gonna say this PC doesn't meet can't run Windows 11 because it doesn't meet the system requirements. So you're gonna have to open the command prompt. Oops. Okay, so now because remember how it says this PC is not supported, or this device, you have to hit function exactly like this. Shift F10. Then type in regedit exactly like this. Then it should open the registry editor. Then go to H key local machine. Go to system, setup, right click on setup, new key, spell it exactly like this, lab config, new, dword 32-bit, bypass TPM check, new, dword 32, bypass RAM check, new, same thing, dword 32, bypass secure boot check. Then right click on this, modify, set value data to 1, make sure it's hexamal. Okay, modify, same thing, 1, same thing, 1. Okay, now what we can do is we can close the registry editor, close the command prompt, install now. I do not have a product key. If you do, you can enter it in. I'm gonna use the Pro. Next. I accept. Next. Now do custom. Do not press upgrade. Select this drive or whatever drive you named it. Next. Now just wait. Also, you could forward this video if you want to skip to the end. I mean, just forward it until the setup. If you already know how to do the setup, you can probably just close this video, but if you just want to continue and you don't want to wait this long, it's not going to take that long, but you can just skip ahead until it's ready. Okay, 58%, 59%, 60. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be really helpful. Click restart now. Wait for it to load. This might take a little bit, but if you were using UTM, it would take way longer. It would take like 3 hours for this part to pass, but VirtualBox will be much quicker. Also, let me point one thing out to you. Do not insert this yet, because that is like downloading something and your computer isn't even ready, so it's going to crash the whole entire setup if you do that. And you would have to like delete it and restart the whole thing. And it is done. Okay. I'm just gonna enter in my info. You can just follow along. US keyboard layout. Oops. Did not want to do that. If you're using 2 keyboard layouts, you can add one, but I'm not. Checking for updates. I'm gonna make another video of how to install Windows 10 on VirtualBox. It's exactly like this, but with the Windows 10 ISO, and just renaming stuff. If you are using a laptop, make sure it's plugged in. Okay, just a moment. There you are. Close this out. You can ignore this. It's just saying that it's like supports the mouse and the keyboard. Okay. Now let's finish the setup. Now we can name our device. I'm just gonna name it some basic name. Oops. That's maximum. I'll just leave it like that for now. Oh, it can only contain signals. I'll just skip it for now. You can set it, if you are a teacher, you could set it up for school or work, or if you have a business. I'm doing it for personal use. You can sign in with a Microsoft account. It will just be quicker. Like, you don't have to sign into the Microsoft store and blah, blah, blah. But I am not going to. Okay, so it is. I believe it was. Skip for now. Oh. Oh. Okay, I made a mistake. Skip for now. Okay, I'm just gonna enter my name. I'm gonna create a password. Okay. Confirm password. Alright, security questions 1 out of 3. I'll just use an online account. That's too much of a hassle. Okay. We finished that part. I'm gonna create a pin. Okay, include letters and symbols. Don't forget, you're gonna waste your typing key. Don't forget to check this off before if you have letters. Or like hashtags and stuff. Okay. Press OK. Click OK. Set up as new device. Now you should turn off all this. It's just annoying. So many notifications when you're doing your work. Or if you're going to mess around with malware and try to get a virus. I'm going to use it for entertainment, like videos. Accept. Next. Oops. No. Never mind. Whatever. I don't like OneDrive because it's really annoying. Like they always say that there's not enough space. So I don't use OneDrive. But if you like it, you can use it. Okay, just a moment. Hi. Okay, so now so we have like probably 3 to 4 more minutes left until we're done. Yes, don't forget to keep your PC plugged in. I would not recommending turning it off because I was on a laptop. It wasn't plugged in and the battery shut off, and the whole setup crashed, and I had to restart. But I was upgrading from Windows 8.1 to Windows 10, and it put me back to 8.1. Okay, there you have it. Windows 11. Now there's one more thing you're going to do. Okay, now we're going to do one more thing. Click View. No. Sorry. Hold on. Click Devices, Insert Guest Add-ons CD image. Go to the File Explorer. Right here. Scroll down to this. Right click. Run as administrator. Yes. Next. Next. Install.
What?
Are you wearing dresses?
Sure.
Okay. Click Reboot Now. Make it select on Reboot Now. Finish. Let it restart. Okay. Okay. Now it's done. Now you gotta do one more thing. Click View. Then click Scale to 200%. Just wait for it to load. Try full screening it. Yep, it works.
Oh, did this pants even fit you?
Thanks for watching. Bye.